Hi, I'm Matt Stark. I am one of the lead techs at Millennium Sounds, and this is an update on the Proscenium project in Carmel, Indiana. So it's been a very long and interesting project. We started here approximately 3 years ago with mainly just planning and scoping out where things were to be. This particular project has Screen Innovation nanobox shades. Some of them are powered, some of them will be manual power. We have them in every unit. Some of them are ranging anywhere from 3 foot long to 9, 10 foot long. They are simply just a screen to hold out the sun from bleaching the interior, cut the heat gain down on the rooms. They will be controlled over Control 4 through the app, and we can even set them up to where there's timers or weather conditions exist. We can say, hey, lower the shade. And that way the homeowner's furnishings are protected. This whole Proscenium project has been very interesting. It's actually 5 units that are anywhere from rental to condo. There is an amenities center, fitness center, swimming pool, large common green area. There will be music throughout the property that can be used and tapped into for public events. There is security for every unit that each resident can gain access to or keep people out of. So that's the Proscenium project. I'm Matt Stark, and thanks for watching this, and keep watching Millennium Sounds for more updates and more of the things we're going to do in the future.